Hiccup, hiccup. King was a farmer and he was 20 years old. One day, King lifted a big pig and put it on a truck. Then he started to hiccup. He hiccuped and hiccuped and hiccuped. He couldn't stop. Drink a glass of water, his wife said. King drank a glass of water. The hiccups didn't stop. Eat some sugar, his mother said. King ate some sugar. The hiccups still didn't stop. Eat some lemon, his father said. King ate some lemon. Again, the hiccups didn't stop. Close your mouth and hold your nose, his sister said. King closed his mouth and held his nose. The hiccups didn't stop. Pull your tongue, his grandfather said. King pulled his tongue. The hiccups didn't stop. Put water in your mouth, his grandmother said. Then put your fingers in your ears and swallow the water. King put water in his mouth. Then he put his fingers in his ears and swallowed the water. The hiccups didn't stop. King hiccuped for 68 years, from 1922 to 1990. Then one day, the hiccups suddenly stopped. Now, King is a happy old man. Finally, he doesn't have the hiccups.